Explore life cycles. Time for your close-up. If you were studying the life cycles of every species, you'd be studying for a really long time. Scientists have identified 2 million species so far, but they think there are between 5 and 100 million different species on Earth. Most just haven't been identified yet. Many of the species on Earth have similar life cycles. All mammals follow the same general cycle, for example. So do fish. Let's take a look at some of these different life cycles a little closer. Mammals. Mammals are a class of animals in the phylum Chordata. This is a large group of animals that have spinal cords. That's like your spinal cord is that big bone down the center of your back. A mammal is a creature that has a backbone and fur. It produces milk to feed its young. Humans, dogs, horses, whales, and mice are some mammals. Birth. Most mammals grow their babies inside the mother. They give birth when the baby is ready to live outside the mother's body. Growth. Usually, mammals only change in size. They get bigger until they reach their adult size, and then they stop growing. But sometimes there are other small changes. Dalmatian puppies start out all white. As they get older, they get dark spots. Can you think of another mammal that looks different when it is in the growth stage? I'm thinking like a deer. Have you guys ever seen a baby deer? They're so cute and little and they have those little white dots. Well, grown deer don't have that. Can you think of another example?